Hello, this is the PC Workshops Python Basics course, and remember to practice, download your practice files. Practice makes perfect. So tonight I'm going to show you how to create functions. So what is a function? Well, a function is some code that I want to repeat a lot, or if I have got a complicated calculation that takes maybe a few lines or many lines, that I want to hide away from the main flow of the program. So in other words, the idea of a function is to eliminate repeating code, or to make the general flow of the program look easier to read, and it's easier to understand the essence of what the program is trying to do without actually seeing all the details. So in this particular example, I'm just simply going to show you how to make a function, and there are many exercises that will help you to understand how it can be used. So here I've got a definition. The word def explains to the computer that this is a definition of a function. So in other words, what is a definition of a function? It means I declare or I create the function, I give it a name, and then below the function name, everything that is indented, that will actually be part of this name print first. So in other words, if I've got a name print first, that is the definition in the definition line of my function, all the code that's below it is going to be referred to in one go by the word print first. Okay, so how do I use that? The computer will firstly not execute that code until it gets an instruction to execute the code. That instruction is a function call. So print first and the code below it will never run until I give it a function call. So a function call is very simple. It's just simply the name of the function. And I've got to remember the open close brackets. When I use function names, I've always got to call my function using an open close bracket. That is a must. And so when the computer says print first, it goes to this definition. It will then print the code that's under it, which is, in other words, hello world something. And then after it's executed all the code in the function, the computer, the flow of the program, returns to the line just after the call of the function and start executing from there onwards. You see, it's very simple. That's all.